Welcome, Mr. President. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. We've done some trees. We've done it. Hello. Welcome back. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the conversation with the MP.
Yes. Great conversation. Very different and very vibrant. So my father, especially for Charles, he took his suit at one point. Charles and George arrived with their t-shirt.
Excellency, First Lady, His Majesty the King, and Her Majesty the Queen. Allow me thy name, and thy kingdom, that thy will be done in this place. My Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Your Excellency, Council of
I have learned a thing or two about dual headquarters of any organization. It's not just an African office, it's a partnership between Kenya. We're running out of time because for Africa to be sure all of us, not just here in Kenya, not just in Africa.
Very valuable, and it's a support that has reached millions of needy people that your country has been giving. With this few remarks,
not fight it. And for that, here in Kenya, here in Africa, we need three things.
Your Majesty, as you confront an increasingly unpredictable climate, our commitment to adaptation, we have a citizen of Netherlands in our midst, who also has made Her Majesty Queen Maxima's commitment to patriotic oncology with the Princess Maxima of GCA, a critical organization disrupting crops, livestock, infrastructure, and homes. Adaptation is critical. The erratic nature of water, either too much or
Sitting down and talking until a consensus is reached. We're grateful for the opportunity to hear about the experiences of Kenyans from all walks of life. Every strong relationship is based on cooperation across the board. In times of uncertainty, when large parts of the world are facing tensions and conflicts, dialogue and partnerships are essential. For over 60 years, Kenya and the Netherlands have shown how strong the ties between Africa and Europe.
The Global Center of Adaptation, and I'm also honored, Mr. President, to be appointed by you, bridges, not walls. But Your Majesties, and with it, real partnerships can flourish. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, have a great evening. Thank you very, very much. Yes. Thank you tomorrow.
Fantastisch. Het is wel gelukt op de